Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Puspita Dewi. I am from Class Accounting B. Accounting Basic. Introduction to Accounting Basic. This explanation of Accounting Basic will introduce you to some basic accounting principles, accounting concepts, and accounting terminology. Once you become familiar with some of these terms and concepts, you will feel comfortable navigating through the explanation, quizzes, puzzles, and other features of accountingcourse.com. Some of the basic accounting terms that you will learn include revenue, expense, asset, liability, income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. You will become familiar with accounting debit and credit as we show you how to record transactions. You will also see why two basic accounting principles, the revenue record netting principle and the matching principle, used a company's income statement report a company's profitability. In this explanation of accounting basic and talk about all of free material and the pro material, we will often omit some accounting detail and complexities in order to present clear and concise explanation. This means that you should always seek professional advice for your specific circumstance. Did you know? To make accounting even easier to understand, we create a collection or premium material called Accounting Course Pro. Our Pro user get lifetime access to our visual tutorial, seminar videos, cheat sheet, flashcard, quiz test with courses, business form, and more. A story for relation to accounting basic. We will present the basic of accounting through a story of person starting a new business. The person is a savvy man who sees the need for a parcel delivery service in community. Joe has researched his idea and has prepared a business plan that documents the viability of this new business. Joe has also met with an attorney to discuss the form of business he should use, given his specific situation. They conclude that a corporation will be best. Joe decides the name for his corporation will be Direct Delivery. The attorney also invites Joe on the various permits, the government identification numbers that will be needed for the new corporation. Joe is hard work and a smart man, but admit he is not competent with matter of accounting. He usually will use some accounting software, but when to meet with a professional accounting before making his selection, he asks his banker to recommend a professional accountant who is also skilled in explaining accounting to some without an accounting background. Joe went to understand the financial statement and went to keep on top of his new business. Is a banker in Maryland, an account who has helped many of the bank some business customers. At his first meeting with Marilyn, you asked her for a overview of accounting, financial statement, and the need for accounting software based on just business plan. Marilyn said that there will likely be dozens of transactions each year. She said an accounting software will allow for the electronic recording, storing, and retrieval of those money transactions. Accounting software will permit you to generate the financial statement and other reports the new will need for running his business. Joe seems puzzled by the term transaction, so Marilyn gives his 5 examples of transactions the direct delivery will need to record. 1. Joe will not double-start his business by putting some of his own personal money into it. In effect, he is buying shares of direct delivery common stock. 2. Direct delivery will need to buy a steady, dependable delivery vehicle. 3. The business will begin earning fees and billing clean for delivery their parcel. 4. The business will be collecting the fees they were earned. 5. The business will incur expense in operating and business, such as a salary for Joe, expense associated with the delivery vehicle, advertising, etc. With thousands of such transactions in a given year, Joe is smart to start using accounting software right from the beginning. Accounting software will generate sales invoice and accounting entries simultaneously, prepare statement for customer with no additional work, write check, automatically update accounting record, etc. By getting into the habit of entering all of the day business transactions into his computer, Joe will be rewarding with fast and easy access to the specific information he will need to make sound business decisions. Marilyn tells Joe the accounting transaction approach is useful, reliable, and informative. She has worked with other small business owners who think it's not too simple. Now, their company made $30,000 during the year, based only on the fact that is on $30,000 more than it did on January 1. Those are the people who start off on the wrong foot and up in Maryland office looking for financial advice. If Joe enters all of direct deliveries transactions into his computer. Good accounting software will allow Joe to print out his financial statement. With a click of a button in Part 2 Track 7, Marilyn will explain the content and purpose of the three main financial statements: 1. Income statement, 2. Balance sheet, and 3. Statement of cash flows. Thank you.